Are you tired of uploading YouTube videos one by one? What if you could upload dozens of videos to multiple channels automatically? Let me show you how. Welcome back to ManhTu marketing software. Today, I'm going to show you a powerful tool that lets you auto-post your videos across multiple YouTube channels safely, fast, and 100% automated. This is MKT Tube. If you manage multiple channels, if you post shorts daily, if you're growing faceless channels or client channels, manually uploading videos wastes hours. MKT Tube helps you upload to unlimited channels, schedule and bulk post at title, description, keywords, automatically use proxies for safe log and scale your content like a real media company. Step 1. Add and manage unlimited YouTube accounts inside the software. Go to Account Management. Here you can add multiple Gmail accounts or proxy for each account, separate fingerprints for safety. Each Gmail equals one YouTube channel means you can run 10, 20, 50 channels without risk. Step 2. Upload videos automatically. No Let's Auto Post Videos. Go to Posting gives auto upload video. Here's how it works. Select your video file set, number of threads, how many videos each channel will upload, delay time, your thumbnail. Add titles 1 per line, add descriptions separated by, add keywords also separated, choose if the video is for kids or not, save your content template. Simple, powerful. Let me show you. I choose my channels, select posting category, click start. Watch this. The software opens a real browser, logs into YouTube safely, uploads the video, adds the title, description, thumbnail. Everything happens automatically, exactly like a human, but 10 faster. This is true automation. If you want to save hours every week, if you want to scale your YouTube channels like a pro, message me on Telegram or WhatsApp. Links are pinned in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to ManhTu marketing software for more automation tools that help you grow faster, earn smarter, and work less. See you in the next video.